Hello and welcome to REIT Magazine's weekly report, coming to you from REIT World 2012, NAREIT's annual convention for all things REIT. I'm Matt Bichard.
And I'm Alan Kenny. Commercial real estate industry executives, analysts, and investors all assembled in San Diego for NAREIT's annual convention. More than 1,100 attendees made their way to REIT World 2012. Host Hotels and Resorts President and CEO Ed Walter was officially installed as NAREIT chair on the first day of the convention.
The event featured a series of panels covering the major issues facing the commercial real estate industry. UBS Managing Director Ross Nussbaum moderated a session on the healthcare sector. Participants included CEOs Deborah Cafaro of Ventas, Healthcare REIT's George Chapman, and HCP's Jay Flaherty. The panelists all agreed that further growth is in store in the industry's near future.
Ed Walter led a panel on the state of the capital markets. Panelists included Michael Billerman of Citi, Michael Graziano of Goldman Sachs, and Jeff Horowitz of Bank of America Merrill Lynch, who all offered their insights on the capital markets. Later on the opening day, a panel covered business-to-business real estate owners. The discussion was overseen by James Feldman and Jeff Spector of Bank of America Merrill Lynch. The roundtable included CEOs Michael Faust of Digital Realty Trust, Philip Hawkins of DCT Industrial Trust, and Regency Center's Hap Stein. The main theme of the discussion was supply-demand dynamics, which the panelists said remain very favorable for property owners.
On Wednesday, a panel of CEOs whose companies focus on the healthcare sector offered their perspectives on the housing recovery and what that means to their business. Green Street Advisors' Andrew McCullough moderated the session. The panel consisted of American Campus Communities' Bill Bayless, Timothy Naughton of Avalon Bay Communities, Weyerhaeuser's Dan Fulton, and Terry Considine of Aimco. Another panel dealt with consumer-focused REITs. Moderated by Steve Sakwa of ISI Group, the panel consisted of John Bortz of Pebblebrook Hotel Trust, Dan Hurwitz of DDR Corp, Spencer Kirk of Extra Space Storage, and Bobby Taubman of Taubman Centers.
NAREIT also handed out its annual industry awards. The Edward H. Linde Industry Leadership Award went to Hap Stein, President and CEO of Regency Centers. Bob Steers, Chairman and CEO of Cohen and Steers, received the E. Lawrence Miller Industry Achievement Award.
NAREIT also presented its annual Leader in the Light Awards, which recognize member companies for their sustainability and energy efficiency. And here are the winners.
In addition to announcing the Leader in the Light Award winners, NAREIT also took part in announcing new investable green indexes. The new green property indexes are a joint effort between NAREIT, the FTSE Group, and the USGBC. The indexes will be based on the FTSE NAREIT Index Series and incorporate sustainability data from the USGBC.
That concludes this edition of Weekly Report from REIT World 2012. Weekly Report will return again after Thanksgiving.
In the meantime, keep checking out realestateinvestmenttoday.com and REIT.com, and have a happy Thanksgiving.